Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Liven, a trending self-improvement app that has been popping up all over social media. I want to give you a complete and honest review from what it actually does, how it works, the main tools, what it costs, the good and the bad, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. So let's get started. Liven is a well-being and self-discovery tool that aims to help you better understand your emotions, reshape unhelpful thought patterns, and build healthier daily habits. Unlike a traditional mood diary or just a simple journaling tool, it presents itself as a guided personal journey, blending structured lessons, emotional tools, and personalized support. Liven calls itself a self-discovery companion designed to help you pause, reflect, and better understand how you think and talk to yourself. That ability to step back and observe your own internal dialogue is a psychological skill known as metacognition, and Liven's entire approach is built around strengthening that awareness. It promises to help people who feel overwhelmed, lack motivation, struggle with focus, or find themselves stuck in negative thinking, which a lot of us can relate to. According to the app, millions of people worldwide have already tried it, and it highlights a pretty high satisfaction rate with its personalized programs. Let's get started with the main features. Personalized journey and program. When you first open Liven, you're taken through an initial assessment, a quiz that helps the app tailor a plan to your goals, challenges, and emotional style. This personalized approach is meant to serve as a roadmap for your self-improvement journey instead of a one-size-fits-all experience. Mood tracking. This tool helps you log how you feel throughout the day, naming your emotions, recording triggers, and tracking patterns over time. It's meant to help you notice your emotional trends rather than just hope they change. Many people find this helps them see the bigger picture of emotional ups and downs. Journaling. You can write reflections and thoughts anytime, almost like having your own digital journal in the pocket. This works with the mood tracker to help you explore why you feel the way you do. It's similar to classic journaling, but the app can help prompt deeper insights. And there's the AI companion Livy. Yes, it's one of the standard features. It's an AI-powered companion that's available 24/7. Think of it like a supportive reflection partner, someone you can talk to without judgment when you feel overwhelmed, stuck, or just need someone to listen. Some users love this because it feels responsive and encouraging, while others find it generic. But either way, it's one of the tools that sets Liven apart from simple habit trackers. Daily tasks and habit building. Liven gives you tasks each day, small, consistent actions designed to help you grow healthier habits and improve your mindset over time. This is rooted in evidence-based psychology, especially cognitive behavioral therapy principles, which make habit formation intentional and measurable rather than random. Now, let us talk about the pricing. Here's how Liven pricing typically works. Liven uses a freemium model, meaning that it has a limited free version, but most of the core tools are behind the subscription paywall. So to get started, you can download the app for free on App Store or Play Store, and then you would have to purchase the core tools by signing up for a subscription inside the app. What are the pros and cons of using Liven? First, the pros. It has a personalized approach. The tools are very supportive, and it has the AI companion also known as Livy. And the cons? The subscription has confused some users. Yes, some users have reported unexpected charges, difficulty canceling, or charges continuing after they thought they have cancelled. And there are mixed reviews. While some people loved it, others say that the content is limited or not worth the price. And this is the most important con. It is not therapy. Although it is based on CBT principles, it's not a substitute for real therapy or professional mental health support. So there's a real split between people who find value and others who feel the billing model overshadows the benefits. So is Liven worth it? Well, here's the honest answer. Liven is not a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful self-awareness tool for some people. So if you're someone who wants to understand your emotions better, someone who wants to enjoy guided journaling and mood tracking, or someone who likes supportive reminders and habit prompts, then Liven's style may really resonate with you. The personalized journey, an AI companion, gives structure that many other apps don't. It's not a clinical therapy app as earlier mentioned, and if you're looking for deep psychological work, you still need professional help or more specialized tools. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Headspace, Fabulous, and Senvelo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.